Okay, so it's February and I thought I'd give you an update on the garden. It was the right decision to move this Agave, or Agave, and it's actually survived, looking nice and healthy. As I said in a previous video, I won't be moving that again. The Fuchsia has really been hit hard by the frost, so I'm going to have to cut that back. It will shoot again, so that will be good. And then we go on to the patio. It's all looking a little bit sad at the moment. The banana, I don't know if I've done enough to protect it through the winter. Hopefully I have, and it should at least shoot from the base anyway, so we'll see on that. The Acer, no signs of life yet, but it is early. Here, this sad plant, the Papyrifus, it's lost all its leaves. It's really taken a bad hit, but I've been assured by one of you that it will come back in the spring, so I'll keep you posted on that. Here we have the tree fern, again still under wraps, and it will be for another couple of months. And I've just noticed the palms have really got it. It was so cold. Normally they can survive the winter. These are Cordylines, but again hopefully they'll spring to life again, but not quite where they are. They'll send out shoots from somewhere else. Yeah, that's sad. I probably should have wrapped them, but we've never had to do that before. And I also think this Cordyline here may have suffered, but again, time will tell. We'll have a little look at it when the spring comes and see if it shoots. Some good news, not all bad, is the bulbs that I planted in one of my videos have all started to pop up. So we should hopefully see some colour soon. And as for the rest of the garden, well, it'll just stay dormant for a little bit longer, and we just hope. So just a final look. The fish, they're very slow at the moment, but they're all okay. Don't know, it's not easy to film them, but they're all okay. They're not feeding, it's too cold, but they seem quite happy. Filter's working, so yeah, we shall see what happens. Another agave that Roger and I planted in the garden, and it's got in good drainage. That seems to be okay through the winter, but I have noticed there's a little bit of frost damage on the centre, but not right in the core. So I'm hoping and praying that will burst out when the spring comes. Anyway, we shall have to wait and see on that one. I think it'll be okay. It's not actually been to the core, but again, hindsight, I probably should have put fleece on it. It's the first year really that it's been so cold, but as with gardening, you're learning all the time. Anyway, that's all from me now, and please like and subscribe this video, and hopefully the next one will be a little bit of spring.